See I-85 and Troup County. Very important here. It's dark, so a lot of these cameras in places like Troup, they don't have the actual color shot on them, but you can see that rain literally blowing across 85 North. This is past Hines Road. You can see the lightning strikes there. Before the worst part of the storm came through Troup County, the Troup County Sheriff's Office already told people to just stay at home until tomorrow morning, until daylight, because they've already had so many trees down. This is ahead of the storm. Now that the worst part of it is here, I can imagine that there's even more trees down, more heavy rainfall, and you can see that the cars are still traveling along 85 north and southbound. This is once again near Hines Road. There are not a lot of cameras in that area, but still very telling of what's happening on those interstates. Here's another look. If we can take Max 2.